Hello. Welcome back to my channel. I thank you guys so very much for returning. But as you can see, this will be a get ready with me, a simple get ready with me, nothing too much over the top, none of that. So anyway, yeah, as you know, we always start off with our makeup, so that's what I'm doing right here, and then eventually I'll move into the wig that I purchased, obviously from Heraremy.com. But yeah, I'll just give y'all all the juicy details about that later on in this video. But for now, just sit back, relax, and keep on watching. could stop looking like a bald head egg. So back again with Heraremy.com. I know y'all like this bitch with these synthetic wigs. Yes, this is like a, I guess you could call this shit like a little mini series or whatever. I don't know. Synthetic units. So yeah, I'm gonna be reviewing another wig from them today. Now, this unit right here, I ordered this with Coco. Remember the long blonde, you know, the video I just posted 2 videos ago. But anyway, yeah, so I ordered this one with Coco as well. This was the one that I was telling y'all about. So anyway, this one, her name is Talia, and she was $23.50. And I ordered her in the number 1. She's a color number 1. Yeah, so like I said, I ordered her with Coco. So altogether, the wigs came up to $45 even. I did express shipping, which was 3-day shipping, and I paid $9.85 for shipping. So the grand total came up to $54.85. And like I said, I ordered this when I ordered Coco. So that was on September 21st. They shipped it out on September 23rd. And I think if I'm not mistaken, I believe I received it September 25th. I'm not sure, but yeah, so that's that. This is Talia. Just throw that to the side. Of course, this one came in the net also, y'all. This one is beautiful. I wish it was long, but you know, now I wish that it was long. But anyway, it's real cute. Like I said, it came in a net with the paper inside. So yeah, let me back up some. This is Talia, y'all. She is so freaking pretty. The curls are so bouncy, and y'all cannot tell me that this wig does not look human. Like, even with it up close on camera like that, like, look at it. Yeah, like, you cannot tell me that this wig does not look human. It is so freaking pretty. But, and it is a lace, like a lace part. I'm gonna show y'all the construction on the inside. So this is the inside. As you can see, is the side part on your right side. This wig right here comes with no combs, which honestly I prefer no combs. I don't like combs in my wig at all, so most of the time I just cut them out. But it does come with the adjustable straps in the back. So this is Talia, and I can honestly say it is wiggy looking a little bit up here, but y'all already know I'm about to take care of that. So let's go. All right, so let me push that back just a little bit. Now I can say, y'all, this junk, yeah, see what I mean? It look real wiggy, but we gonna fix that. This is a small wig. If you got a big head, like I said, mine is a little on the big side. If you have a small head, this wig right here is perfect for you. If you have a big head, then, you know, it might not fit too well. night. Like, Ma, you know that wig you know that you thought you was getting? You ain't getting it. She ain't getting it, y'all. Look at this. This is by far my favorite. My mother's not getting this shit. And they got this in so many colors, okay? And that's one thing I can say, y'all. I cannot, y'all. Let me turn around. For $23. For $23. I love it. I love it. And I'm happy. But yes, so that wraps up this video, you guys. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you did, please do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions or suggestions, whatever. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and hit that notification bell if you haven't done that already either. So again, I thank you guys so very much for returning back to my channel, and I look forward to seeing y'all in the next one.